Are you thinking of making a bunny castle? Well, you come to the right video. Today we're gonna build bunny castle so you can transform your unused boxes to a bunny castle of your choice. So all you need is anything from unused boxes and a sheet of paper so you can plan on how it's gonna be like. So I already did some template drawing and now I'm gonna do some cutout. So during the planning phase, I feel like I need to do some templates so we can trace on the board so everything is equal. So that's what me and Sylvia did. The night before we did some planning, and then now we're taking action. So I'm starting off with making the template and then actually looking at the boxes and see how we can put it together nicely. Next thing, as you can see, Sylvia is actually carving the pieces out. This is an awesome teamwork. You can see we're tracing the template and then cutting it piece by piece. Charlie patiently waiting while we built his castle. And you can tell Sylvia is doing a good job in creating windows and doors. And I'm working on the cavity on the top of the castle. So right now I'm creating bunny ears on the front of the door. As I'm carving, you can see have to be really gentle towards the ears. The template was really useful. And it's cut. As you can see, Bunny have 6 entrances in this bunny castle. Sylvia's actually carving the pieces out. So these blocks go on the sides of the bridge to create a walk-in area for the bunny. And next step, we just have to glue everything together. And voila! Finished. This is how the final piece looks like. And you can see there's 2 levels. This is a group effort, half a day to build this. It didn't take too long. And everything is glued by glue gun. And it's really easy to make. It does take a bit of patience. However, me and Sylvia did an amazing job. And hopefully you enjoy this bunny castle as much as Charlie does.